Hi team, welcome to the start of this video. We're looking at more crossover questions. We're on question 18 on the foundation and we're on question 3 on the higher. So let's get into it. Find the highest common factor of 72 and 108. So some class whizzes will be able to break these down into a product of their prime factors. I'm going to do this one the old school way. So 36 and 2, 2 is prime. 18 and 2, 2 is prime. 2 and 9, 2 is prime, 3 and 3. Alright, so next lot 108. So that's 54 and 2. 3 and 18 for the darts players. Treble 18 is 54. 2 and 9, and then we've got 3 and 3. So we then set up a Venn diagram. This circle, that's alright, that circle. There we go. I want to have a big overlapping part. I think there's going to be a lot in there. 72 and 108. So we've got a pair of 2s. So we can put them in. I see another pair of 2s there and there. I've got a 3 in both. Got another pair of 3s. And then we've got a 3 left over and a 2 left over. And to get the highest common factor, we multiply by all of the numbers that are in the intersection. If we wanted the lowest common multiple, we multiply by all of the values that we can see inside of the Venn diagram. And this one will make 36. All right, question number 4 or question number 19 on the foundation. Ava records the number of kilometres she drives each month. In April, Ava drove 943 kilometres. This is 15% more than the kilometres, or the number of kilometres she drove in March. Work out the number of kilometres Ava drove in March. So here's March. March was increased by 1.15, and that gives us 943. This is a reverse percentages question. They come up every year. So March is going to equal 943 divided by 1.15. 943 divided by 1.15. And that gives us 820 kilometers. Question number 5. Yes, polygons, love them. So in the diagram, ABCDE is a regular pentagon. Work out the size of the obtuse angle FED. So that's that bit in there. Right, for a hexagon, is it regular? No, sorry, it's a pentagon. 3, oh, the screen's moved. Let me just set this as background. Set as background, there we go. So 360 divided by 5 will give us the exterior angles of a pentagon, which is 72. And then we do 180, take away 72, which is 108. So 108 is that angle in there. And then we need to find FED. And that's going to be the result of 360 take away 96 plus 108, because angles around a point add up to 360, plus 108, and we get 156. So that's our answer. That's done. Have I done everything? Have I shown all my working? Yes, it doesn't want any words. We're all good. Question 6 or question 21. Expand and simplify. So I encourage people to use the grid method. So useful, stops errors. M times M, M squared. 5M, negative 8M, negative 40. So M squared plus 5M, take away 8M is equal to minus, oh, sorry, it's not equal to anything. Take away minus 40. Now, this is really important. You do the grid method, you're multiplying within that grid, and then you take the 2 terms out. Oh, sorry, you take all 4 terms out, but 2 of them will simplify, and that gives us negative 3M, take away 40. Okay, part B, show clear algebraic working, solve it. So we're going to multiply both sides by 3, which gives us 9n, take away 12, is equal to 5n plus 6. We don't need to do anything to the numerator. We've multiplied by 3 to get rid of that denominator. Subtract by 5n on both sides, add 12, divide throughout by 4, 18 divided by 4 is 4.5. And that's it, done. Just going to write here that I took away 5n in case anyone's just looking back. Add 12, and then we divide by 4. Okay, question number 7. Oh, and diagrams, I love it. Set notation. Okay, question 7. So this is like, this says the universal set. So this means we're only looking at the numbers that are here. We're not considering any other numbers. A is even numbers, B is 23, 29, 31, and C is multiples of 3. List the numbers of the set B union C. So this is B, B also C, I'm going to say. The union, bringing it together. So B is 23. 24 is a multiple of 3. 27 is a multiple of 3. 29, 30, 31, 33. Done. So these are all the values that are in B, C, and also in, sorry, all the values that are in B and all the values that are in C. So this one means not A and in C. So the multiples of 3, if they're not in A, that means they're odd numbers and they have to be a multiple of 3. So when we look across the numbers, 24 is a multiple of 3, but it's even, so we can't consider it. 27 is good. 30, even, but 33 is also good. Okay, is this true? B intersection C is equal to 0. So none of the numbers in B are multiples of 3. So it's correct. Tick. So 23, 29, and 31 are not. Just want to check that they are the numbers. Yep, good. They are not multiples of 3. Right. The set D has 4 members and is such that D intersection A union C is equal to 0. List the members of D. So A union C, even numbers and multiples of 3. So A union C, 24, 30. There isn't a 36, is there? 24, 30, and we're good. Oh, such an idiot. So we start at 23, end at 34. This is hard having to keep scrolling up. A is even numbers, so it's going to include 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. And then C is the multiples of 3. 27 is included. 33 is included. So D is going to be any numbers that are not included in here, because D intersection A union C is going to be numbers that are not in there. So 23, it's 4 members. I want to say 25. Yeah, 25 isn't there. 26, 27, 28, 29 isn't there. And then 31. So those are 4 numbers. So they're the 4 numbers that are not in A union C. For 5 marks, that's really doable, especially if you're looking to get to that grade 5. I think it's very doable. Okay, question 8, 3 marks. I'll get this one done and we'll end the video. A cylinder is placed on a table. The volume of the cylinder is 1,575. The force exerted by the cylinder on the table is 84 newtons. Work out the pressure on the table due to the cylinder. So I'm going to need to know the area. And we can work that out because pi r squared times by the height will give us the volume of the cylinder. Pi r squared times by 21 is equal to 1,575. Pi r squared, 1575 divided by 21 is 75. So, and that's it. I don't need to go any further actually, because that is the area of the circle. I was going to go a bit further there. Right, now the force divided by the area, 84 divided by 75, gives us 1.12. and they've got the units on there for us. So 1.12 is our final answer. Okay, we've got a few more crossover questions to go, 3 more. So I'm going to get another video done today, and I'll see you at question number 9. Bye-bye.